In this session, we will talk about find all, replace, and replace all. So what these functions are all about, or these capabilities are all about. So when we go to Home tab, we have this function or capability available here, find and replace. We can get the same using Control F as well. So we get find and replace both, right? So this is the data we have, right? In this case, what we want to do, we want to find out Joseph. So Control F and write the name. So one by one, when you press enter or you click on find next, it will take you to every cell which has this value. In case you want to find out all together, you will click on find all. So what is happening in this sheet here in the below, it has given you two rows. One is this. So basically, it has founded all the cells for you and given reference here which has this value. You click on it and the same will get highlighted here. You click on it and the same will get highlighted here. So this is find and find all. So when you do find or find next, it will move the control in the sheet cell by cell. And in case you click on find all, it will give you the reference of all the cells which has this value here. So these are the functions which are used, or these are the capabilities which are used to find some specific value in the data.